Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging automation with Enel X Way app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Enel X Way app downloaded on your mobile device. You can find the app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, make sure your electric vehicle is parked and ready for charging. Connect your EV to the charging station using the appropriate charging cable. In the app, navigate to the charging section and select the device you wish to use. If this is your first time, you may need to add the charging station to your account. Follow the prompts to input the required details, such as the station's ID number. Once the charging station is added, return to the home screen of the app. Select the station where your vehicle is plugged in. You should now see information about the charging status. Now, it's time to set up automation for your charging sessions. Look for the automation or scheduling feature within the app. Choose the times you would like to start and stop charging. You can also set preferences for charging based on electricity rates. Confirm your settings to activate the automation feature. Once activated, the app will automatically manage your charging sessions. You can monitor progress and make adjustments as needed through the app. If at any point you need assistance, check the help section within the app. Make sure to regularly update the app for the best performance and features. This completes the installation of EV charging automation using the Enel X Way app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.